Runware AI is one of the latest AI software releases that's been generating a lot of buzz. And today, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're wondering whether it's the right tool for you, stick around until the end, because I'm going to break down the key features and benefits of Runware AI, including its capabilities and limitations. Plus, I'll share where you can try it for free, link in the description. Right off the bat, one thing to know about Runware AI is that it's designed to streamline your workflow with advanced automation. Whether you're into digital marketing, content creation, or managing customer interactions, Runware AI promises to save you a ton of time. Imagine an AI assistant that learns and adapts to your tasks. That's the core of what this software does, and it's highly efficient in customizing its features for your needs. The second thing to highlight is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an AI expert to get started. From the moment you log in, the dashboard is simple to navigate. Runware AI isn't one of those complex tools that require hours of training. You can jump right into using it without feeling overwhelmed. Another major selling point is its versatility. Whether you're running a small business or working in a large corporation, this software can scale with your needs. It can help automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer support. Imagine freeing up hours each week just by letting Runware AI handle these routine processes. If you're worried about integration, don't be. Runware AI integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and even Shopify. This makes it incredibly valuable for businesses that already use these platforms and want to level up their operations. Now let's talk about Runware AI's learning curve. While it's easy to use out of the gate, what makes it stand out is its ability to learn from your interactions. The more you use it, the better it gets at anticipating your needs and optimizing tasks. This means that over time, you're going to see increasingly refined and personalized results. However, no tool is perfect, and one thing to keep in mind is its pricing model. Although it offers a free trial, the premium features can be pricey, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. But if you're serious about automating your workflows and enhancing your productivity, the investment could be well worth it. Another thing I want to mention is the customer support. Runware AI offers 24/7 assistance via chat and email. This is huge, especially when you're working with advanced AI software and there's always a concern that something might go wrong. Knowing you can rely on support is a big relief for users. And finally, the results. After using Runware AI for several weeks, I've noticed that it consistently delivers impressive outcomes. It's not just about automating processes. It's about doing them smarter and more efficiently. Whether you're looking to increase conversions, grow your social media presence, or just save time, Runware AI is a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. So, should you try Runware AI? If you're looking for a tool to optimize your workflow, save time, and boost productivity, I highly recommend it. And like I mentioned, you can try it out for free. Just check the link below to get started. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I've got a list of my recommended picks in the description, so don't forget to check them out.